Imagine waking up to the Book Cliffs out back, the Colorado National Monument out front, and 5.5 acres of peaceful Western Colorado living all around you. Welcome to 1454 19 Road in Fruita. This 3344 square foot home offers the space and flexibility to bring everyone together without ever feeling crowded. The spacious kitchen gives you room to cook, gather, and entertain, while 2 separate living areas provide comfortable places to spread out, relax, or enjoy a little peace and quiet, even in a busy household. With 5 bedrooms and a bonus room that could easily become a 6th bedroom, home office, gym, or game room, there's space to fit the way you live. Outside, the lifestyle really comes alive. There's plenty of elbow room, space for horses, wide open views, a peaceful country setting, and your own in-ground pool. Perfect for long summer days with family and friends. And while it feels wonderfully removed from it all, you're only about 10 minutes from downtown Fruita and 12 minutes from world-class trails at 18 Road. This is the best of Fruita living: acreage, scenery, recreation, and convenience, all in one remarkable property.